Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this supreme half-cast whitening black soap. This soap effectively cleanses the skin of old acne spots, pimples, and even out skin tone. Lifts dead skin cells. In addition, it fights facial and body acne, reduces oil skin, minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. This soap is also good for all skin types. For you to know how I made this soap, you have to keep watching. Please watch this video to the end and subscribe to my channel for me to be able to make more wonderful videos for you guys. Hello wonderful people, you're welcome to my workstation. In today's video I'm making half-cast whitening black soap. This black soap is super effective. It's going to clear all your skin issues and whiten your whole complexion. So the soap base I'm using for this soap is Ghana black soap. Ghana black soap will deep cleanse your skin and lighten your complexion. It provides solution to almost all skin irritations and breakouts. Black soap fights acne, relief to eczema, cures rash, blemishes. Black soap is an excellent alternative for cleansers, for chemical cleansers. So I'm going to start by breaking my soap into small pieces so it will be able to pound. Ghana brown balls. Ghana brown balls helps to eliminate toxins due to its benefits. It's very effective for combating skin problems such as eczema, acne, pimples, and can also be used to erase scars, speed up cell turnover, stimulates collagen production, mitigates acne, and is going to give your skin a natural glow. So I'm using 1 nylon of it. I will add it into my black soap. I have my rose water. Rose water is an effective natural toner that can be used daily. It is suitable for all skin types and can be used as moisturizing and preventing acne. It has cooling properties that can help to rejuvenate skin. It help maintain the skin pH balance and can also control excess oil. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that helps reduce redness and irritation and get rid of acne. I'm going to add half of this rose water into my black soap. I think I've gotten the half. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my whitening glycerin with my glycolic acid. Whitening glycerin helps your skin retain moisture. It repairs damage and protects your skin from infections. While glycolic, the advantage is it does more than treat breakouts. It will also tackle dullness and signs of skin aging, such as lines and wrinkles, without breaking a sweat. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my glycolic acid. And I will add 1.5 tablespoon of my whitening glycerin. I'm going to pound it. I'm going to pound it for it to mix well. The next ingredient I'm going to add to my black soap is Cottage Fresh. Cottage Fresh is an old natural African soap with no side effects. It fights bacteria and other skin diseases. It is a pH balancer and also tones the skin. It is recognized in many traditional and modern African homes. It is a well suited for personal hygiene for men and women. I'm going to add half of this into my soap. Next ingredient I'm going to add is kojic powder. Kojic powder is used to lighten visible SUV damage, age spots or scars. This can result in an anti-aging effect in the skin, in addition to the skin lightening effect. I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of my kojic acid powder. Into my black soap. This is neem powder. Neem powder helps in healing mild skin problems like rashes, irritation, burns, and infections. With its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, you can use neem and sandalwood with rose water to form a paste, to form a face mask. Neem powder can also cure acne and warts. It leaves skin soft and supple. It also cures pimples. So I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of my neem powder. Here is sandalwood. Sandalwood removes blemishes and warts, prevents and cures pimples, removes suntan, reduces wrinkles and signs of aging, heals dry skin, enhances skin brightness, exfoliates the skin. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my sandalwood powder. Oats powder soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties helps to treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. Oats also have natural compounds called saponins. They remove dirt and oil that clog pores and remove and exfoliate the skin. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my oat powder. The next ingredient I'm adding is milk powder. Milk acts as a cleanser. It gives a youth glow to the skin. It has lactic acid which lightens and smooths the skin. It hydrates your skin. Milk powder helps in eradicating blackheads and whiteheads. It has excellent bleaching agents. It helps soft skin discoloration, spots, blemishes. It also helps lighten age spots and tighten skin. It helps check sun damage, tanning, and sunburn. Here I have 2 tablespoons of my milk powder, so I'm going to add it here. The next ingredient I'm adding is aloe vera extract. I will add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera extract. I'm going to add rice powder. Rice powder has oil absorbing properties which makes it perfect for acne prone skin. It also contains anti-aging properties which delays signs of aging and keeps you looking younger for longer. It soothes sunburn on your skin. It will brighten your skin. When combined with other natural ingredients, gives you a glowing skin. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of rice powder. Activated charcoal effectively cleanses the skin, unclogs pores, removes deeper impurities and dead skin cells. The end result is smooth, supple, and even toned skin. Dirt, toxins, Heavy metals, chemicals, and other poison are attracted to the charcoal molecules and washed away. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of it into my black soap. Orange peel will give you a clear, brighter skin in no time. It's good in exfoliation and helps to dry out acne, improving the overall look of your skin. You can also use it to make a scrub. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of it. This is turmeric. Turmeric lightens pigmentation. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. This will provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric will also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. It's good in black soap. So I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Into my half-cast black soap, I'm going to add omero, 50 ml of my omero into my black soap. Omero is very good in black soap. It's used to treat pimples and other skin problems. I added 50 ml. Here is raw honey. Honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin. It's a natural exfoliator, which means adding it to my black soap when used on your skin takes up dull, dry skin and reveals your new skin cells. I'm going to add 50 ml of honey to my black soap. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a skin moisturizer and help heal wounds. So I added 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient is almond oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almond oil into my black soap. Tea tree oil is good for acne and skin whitening. It helps your face from looking like a hot mess by removing excess oil. Help treat different types of acne and pimples, and it also promotes a smoother, calmer complexion. I'm going to add all this into my black soap. The next ingredient I'm going to add is CT oil. This serum replenishes moisture, enhances skin strength, and unifies complexion color. It's used as intensive treatment for stressed, tired, dehydrated, and dull skin. So I'm going to add half tablespoon of CT oil. The last ingredient I'm going to add is palm oil. Palm oil restores hydration to dry skin. It prevents further dryness by sealing in moisture suitable for sensitive skin people. It effectively nourishes area affected by eczema, stretch marks. It delays the onset of wrinkles, helps remove dirt from the skin. So in here I have 2 tablespoons of palm oil. After adding all your ingredients, you now pound it. Thank you guys for watching my video to the end. As you can see, my half-cast whitening black soap is very ready. Thank you for watching my video. Please, I'm going to tell you to subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your friends, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button below and thumbs up. Bye.